Most high-level demos drag on without closing any deals, leaving your pipeline completely empty and your time wasted. But what if your demos could sell for you, capturing more leads and boosting conversions like never before? This can be done by using my completely free AI snapshot that is right down below this video. That way you can start turning every demo into a powerful client-getting machine on autopilot. Let the AI do the selling for you so you can focus on what matters most, which is growing your business. Let's jump right in. So the way this demo works is very simple. You will come to this pre-made website I've built out, and you're going to demo the AI chatbot via a pre-made website widget I have made for you. And you're going to call the AI voice agent and follow this script that is already made for you. And you ask it these questions because preparation is everything. And you can do this through Loom. You can do this in person with a business owner and use a speaker to demo the AI voice agent. You can do this in a myriad of different ways, which I will go into in depth later on in the video. But the whole point is you're going to just show the power of the AI chatbot and the AI voice agent in action on a live website page. This way, you are showing, not telling. My students have absolutely crushed and sold so many business owners, because what a lot of you guys are doing is you're coming up with pitch decks. And I'll give you this, I'll give you that. And it's just like everything else. If you come in and you just show them what the AI chatbot can do using a script, which they don't know you have this memorized, it makes you look so unbelievably powerful. In this snapshot, I have a completely built out website for you that you can use. Done. I have a complete AI chatbot, prompted, trained, done, for you to use for free. I have an AI voice agent completely built out. I have a website widget set up, done. And again, all of this ties into this one website page, which is what we showed over here, Ryan's Roofing. And this is going to be the hub of your demo. And this can be used in so many different ways. Like I said before, you can send Loom through cold email, cold SMS. You can go in and show them in person. I mean, it's endless the amount of ways you can do this. And the best part is I have done all the work and tested this, and I have a killer script that you can memorize, walk through, and it will make you look amazing, because so many of you guys are not properly preparing and it's making you look like an idiot. We don't want that. So let's walk through this step by step so we can properly make sure the snapshot is configured. And then I will walk you through a demo side by side showing you exactly what to do with this script to make you look amazing and sell more people. Let's go in. So once you download this snapshot, okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the conversational AI bot is working properly. So you're going to come right down to settings. You're going to come right into conversation AI, and it will be right here. It's going to be called Chanel. Now you can change the name, okay, but it's got a bunch of things already set up. Now remember, with all this stuff, you can tweak it, but I already have a lot of this already configured and it already works. So it's then up to you whether you want to change the name and do a couple other things to switch it. So it's spot name Chanel. It's already on autopilot. You're going to want to make sure if this stuff is not carried over in the snapshot, you want to make sure live chat is enabled and this bot is primary. You want to make sure it will not work on the chat widget unless it is set as primary. And then you can see you put the business name in, Ryan's Roofing. You're going to want a 2-second wait time. Remember, this is for the demo, not for your clients. You're just showing them. This looks fine and everything else is good to go. And a quick thing, you can change it from Ryan's Roofing. Like, you don't have to use this example. You can switch out the logo, you can make it plumber, but I've already done all the work for Ryan's Roofing. So it's easy just to demo this and say, like, this is how it works. It's a much easier way to do it. So I would just leave it as is. So in the bot training, I've plugged in this Angie's List article. You'll see right here, 15 common roof issues you shouldn't ignore and how they're fixed. This just has like a gazillion bits of info on roofing. So it just makes the AI chatbot that much smarter. That's why I plugged it in. So that will help you a lot, but that's already, configured. You can test it if you want down here just to make sure. And then in bot goals, I already have all of this stuff configured for you. So if you want to go even further and add other things in, you can, but really right here, this is all already done. The personality is set, the intent is set, and the guideline is set. And I even have down here on everyone, speak like a human, which tends to be shorter sentences. This I've learned just putting this at the end of the prompts makes it sound much better. This is all configured. So you're good to go, but make sure you check through it, just like the things I went over, making sure it's assigned to the live chat channel, because sometimes when you download a snapshot, certain things don't get properly configured. So follow that to make sure it's configured. So good. your AI chatbot is now good to go for the demo. Now we're going to move on to the AI voice agent, which is also Chanel. So we're going to click this, and everything here is already configured, but you're going to need a phone number. It's already looking good. If any of this stuff is different, please change it to what I have on this video. This looks great. This looks great. The agent goals, I already have this massive prompt built in here. It works really well. The availability, everything is good. The thing you're going to need with this though is a phone number, because if you don't have a phone number, this isn't going to work. And you just click this drop down and select the exact phone number you have. Let me show you how to get a phone number to make this demo work, or you could use one you already have. So you can click buy new phone number or come to phone numbers right here. We're just going to click buy new phone number, and this is going to take us directly to the manage phone numbers page. By the way, you do not have to have this A2P verified to send or to do calls. Don't worry, you can just buy it and immediately have it. So you'll literally just click add number. You'll do this right here, and you're going to pick. Okay, United States, you're going to come into filters. Because this is a call, you can just do local, very easy. You don't really need to do any of this stuff because remember, this is just for calling. You know, your area code in here, you can put really whatever you want in here to get the right number. Or you can just come in and buy the very first number you see. So it really doesn't matter. It's just up to you. And you just click it right here and you click proceed to buy. That's all you do. And it's $1.15. It's so cheap. I mean, it's awesome. So you can just immediately find which number you want and put your area code in just like I showed you, and you just buy it. It's that simple. Or if you already have a number, just put it in for the demo. So that's all you have to do to get this entire process working is you just get the number, and then you're going to plug in the number to Chanel, this AI voice agent. From there, once you have this properly set up, you're done. The AI voice agent is ready to go. And then all you want to do is come through and make sure it matches everything I have in this video, which it already should because of the snapshot, but in case it doesn't, just check. So boom, you check that, you're good to go. And most likely it's already done. You just get that number, you plug it in just like that. Click it, that is done. Click save. You are now done with the AI voice agent. Now, we have to go over the website. So we're going to come right into Ryan's Roofing and we're going to click edit. So this is what we're going to have to do because this is already all done. It's already all configured. We're gonna have to put in the phone number in the right places and then add the website chat widget. So now we gotta edit the website phone number. So we're gonna come into Ryan's Roofing. I'm gonna come right here and we're gonna click this. I'm gonna do edit in new tab. So all you need to do with this, because it's all completely done, is just make sure you have the phone number plugged into the demo. So we're gonna come back to our GoHighLevel account. We're gonna come to settings. We're gonna come right down to phone numbers. And we're going to take the exact phone number we just got and we're going to make sure it's on the website, but it is in the custom value side of things. So let me walk you through exactly what I'm talking about. So we come right here. We're just going to copy and paste this exact number. We're going to do the call now button. We're going to scroll down because remember, this number will not get carried through, and we're going to click paste. And from there, you're just going to paste said phone number and click save. Now, the thing we're going to also need is for the phone number to be down here. So in order to do that, we're going to come right back up to business profile, come right down here into phone, and we're going to paste the phone number, then click update information, and it will automatically carry through to the Webby. So now that we have the number plugged in here, your website is now complete. You have two options. Number one, you can just send them a regular link on HighLevel. It doesn't have to be connected for a domain for this to work. If you want to make it a little more professional, what you can do is you can just set this up on your website as just another URL on your domain for your agency. Very easy, very straightforward. It doesn't have to be anything complicated and you'll be good to go. But I recommend, honestly, to make this work better is have it live on any page. And again, this doesn't have to be a dedicated Ryan's Roofing URL. You can use whatever you want because remember, this is a demo. You're not actually giving this to them. This is the demo. So once you have that and you have everything in place for the call now and everything, we're now ready to plug in the website chat widget, which is right here and it's already done for you. This is probably the thing that I'm saving you the most time with because recently GoHighLevel made a bunch of updates regarding this that have confused the living hell out of everybody. And I've already set this up so you don't need to worry about it. But you may need to put the code back in if it doesn't go through. It should, but just in case, I'm going to show you. So all you'd have to do to set this chatbot up if it didn't go through is you're going to copy this exact thing. Okay, copy or click that right there. Come right into your website, go right into tracking code, footer code, and paste it right here and click save. That's all you have to do to get this work. Then you would click save and then publish. It should already be there, but just in case, I want to walk you through that so it makes sense. Okay, so once you're in your chat widget, I want to just show you this really fast because you'll like this. I changed this right here. This is this default image, which was the girl in the red shirt, which is all across the internet. I went on Canva. I did the whole thing for you. I took care of it just so you wouldn't have to look like an idiot, because so many people leave this and people like, that's that generic picture that everyone knows online. So I changed that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're welcome. It'll save you embarrassment. But I want to go over some really important things if your AI chatbot is not working through the live chat that I want to make abundantly clear. Again, I've already plugged all this stuff in, but something may happen in the snapshot transfer, and I just want to make you be sure of it. It may work already, and you may not have to do any work, and it may only take you 2 minutes. But just in case, I want to show you a couple things. So right in here, this has to be turned off, because if you look at this, it says keep disabled if using conversational AI. If you turn this on, the AI chatbot will not work. You have to have that off. Okay, so that's the first thing, just to troubleshoot if nothing's working. So quickly go and make sure that's off if it magically got turned on if your chat widget's not working. We come back to the AI chatbot, okay, and we do two things. We make sure that the live chat is assigned. I already went over this, but I'm just making sure if you're troubleshooting, make sure that's assigned, and you make sure it's the primary bot. It will not work if it's not the primary bot. So if you do those things, it will work, and then you're good to go. If you want to get better at mastering high level or grow your AI agency, I have a 30-day free trial link down below for high level, and you get access to all of my bonuses when you sign up with that. Okay, that's 4 live Zoom coaching calls per week. That's done for you automations. That's done for you snapshots. That is trainings on how to sell high level, trainings on how to master high level, trainings on AI, okay, sales scripts, AI prompts, and so much more. And again, you get all of those bonuses completely for free when you sign up with that free trial link down below, because I think you're really going to like it. But you'll also see testimonials and all kinds of other real world stuff of people just like yourself that are winning with AI right now. So make sure if you are interested in growing your AI agency or just mastering high level, learn more about it, go down below, click the link and check it out. Back to the video. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the demo part where I will go through and show you how to demo this. I just want to say really fast, if you are interested more in high level and learning this, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. Not a 14-day, an exclusive 30-day free trial link where you'll get access to me, you get access to goodies, snapshots, tons of custom snapshots, one-on-one coaching, private community, the whole 9 yards, trainings on how to master high level even more in depth, trainings on how to sell Go High Level, whether you're a SaaS agent, service-based business, whatever you are. If you are trying to master and sell Go High Level, I'm telling you, it is perfect for you. This partnership I gave if you sign up with my link, and it's free if you're using High Level. You just click it, you sign up, it's free. So please go check that link out, because I'm telling you right now, that will help you so much. And again, it's a no-brainer because it's free and you get all this extra stuff. So check it out. Okay, so to demo, we're going to come right back in here. We're going to come right down to sites, and we're going to basically pull up both the website and the script. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this preview link is all we're going to do. Then we're going to come back here and we're going to pull up the website to make sure that everything is configured and working. Because remember, I did all the work for you in the snapshot. Everything is already configured. I just walked you through to make sure it's configured. But at this point, we're ready to just start rolling out. And you're just going to click this right here. So now that you have this entire thing set up, as you see right here, you have the chat widget installed. You have the phone number ready to go and primed, both down here and all the way down here. Everything is good to go, and you're ready to demo this and follow my exact instructions when talking to people. And you can do this literally over the phone. You can do this through screen share. There's multiple different ways of doing it. But when you're showing a prospect AI, this is what you should use. And you should use this script that I already have built in here that I just showed you to access. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go back and forth with this script, website script, and they're not going to see it. I recommend you memorize this in order for this to work. So the first thing we're going to do when you bring a client in is we're going to demo the AI chatbot. So you could also just send them the URL and go, hey, play with the chat widget and call the number and see what happens. You could do something like that too. If you want to get really clever, mimic their entire business. So if it's Dave's, HVAC, you could come in and create Dave's HVAC mock website and take this exact snapshot, plug it in, and make it match Dave's HVAC. And then from there, it's like a really sneaky demo, because it's like, that's my company. Oh my gosh, it's answering the phones for Dave's HVAC. You see what I'm saying? So remember that. And if you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below or message me on Facebook or WhatsApp, because I'll answer anything. Now that does take more time, because you have to go in and you have to configure all this stuff and switch up, my prompt to make it match, Dave's HVAC. But if you were to do that, that would be even more powerful. Okay. But you can still keep as is and follow the script. So you basically have it, whether this is on a video or you're in person, and you're going to follow the script. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with this. So I make sure it's memorized. Remember, you're showing the client the power of AI. So you go, okay, how awesome is this? You come right here and you click this right here. You paste, okay? And we're going to paste that. And now we're going to wait it for it to respond. Perfect. Look at that. Okay. boom, it responded. So now we're like, oh, awesome. Look how cool is it. And you're just showing the person online this. Then you're going to come back and you go, okay, and you're going to copy this. Now, you should memorize this or keep it because you don't want to just be going back and forth. You look like an idiot. But then you paste this and you just wait for it to have this dialogue. And you can switch up the timing to make it go faster or slower. That's up to you. The whole point is we're just going through a dialogue with the AI chatbot. So they're looking at this, they're going, holy shit, it's answering questions. Then we go, absolutely, look how cool that is. So then you would go, okay, and you can either follow along with the AI chatbot, but I recommend jumping right to this question because the reason I have it this way and I'm not just following the chatbot is it shows that you're doing pattern interrupts and regular like prompts on like, you know, like those chat widgets you see on websites that are just like, pick this, they can't like think if it switches the question up. This can. So it's stretching the prospect's mind because this is changing it. It's changing the dialogue flow and it will be able to answer, which just shows how powerful it is because it goes, oh, it actually knows how to answer questions. So then we put that in and then perfect. Okay, see how perfect that is? Then we come back here, okay? You pick this right here and you're just letting it know exactly what to do, okay? And you can switch this up slightly, but the whole point is if you're showing someone and you're like, okay, here's the question, let me ask this, or tell them to ask it. This looks amazing. You're not talking about AI chatbots, you're literally showing them the AI chatbot live and I've done the work for you. So all you have to do is follow along, okay? And you're good to go and you now can demo. Perfect. And then from here, you just pick a time, as you see right in here. Pick a time and schedule point. You just go 2 p.m. is perf. Forward in there. But then the whole point is you're just showing the AI chatbot and the power of it. You guys have to understand how powerful this is. So many of you guys sending pitch decks to your clients. You're just talking about this shit. They have no idea what you're trying to get at. Show them, don't tell them, and you will sell extremely fast. So just like this, you're just going to put in your email and it's going to finalize the booking. You're going to just go, whoa. And if you want to take it a step further, you could even show in the CRM, in the Go High Level contacts, like, look, it put it in if you want to get really extreme. But again, the whole point is you are demoing this entire thing that I created to them. And again, Loom video. You can create a Loom video on this process and they go, holy shit, that's amazing. With, remember, Dave's HVAC if you want to go really extreme. Or you just show them in person, which is actually the most powerful because you can do this all on your phone. And I think that's what a lot of people do not understand is that you can just anywhere, any place, pull this up and be like, yo, look at this. And it will blow people away. Now what we're going to do, okay, is I'm going to go on the phone and call this. So you have two different options for the call. Because remember, we're now going to demo the AI voice agent. And this is where it gets really powerful because you could even legit connect them to the AI voice agent, okay? You could legitimately connect them. And this is so powerful because you could legitimately have them just talk to the AI voice agent. Be like, call this number right here. I mean, there's so many ways to spin it, but this one is really, really powerful to do. So what you're going to do now that you have this all, good to go, is you're going to either call now on mobile or you're going to come right down here and manually type in this phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this number right now. Okay, so I have the script. This is exactly what I'm going to ask the AI voice agent to get this amazing demo to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to come right in here and I'm going to go on my phone. So I'm on my phone right now, okay? And I'm going to call it from my phone. Now, you can go down below and just type in the numbers if you want to do that easier, but I'm just showing you mobily how we're going to work this. Okay, so we have it all pulled up, okay? And this is the exact thing we're going to ask it. So we're going to do call now and we're going to call.
Hello, you've reached Ryan's Roofing. This is Chanel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, there's a weird spot on my ceiling. Could that be a roof leak?
Oh no, that sounds concerning. A spot on the ceiling could definitely be a sign of a roof leak. It might be due to damaged shingles or issues with the flashing. To get this sorted out, could I have your name and the address of your property? I'd also love to schedule a free consultation for you.
Yeah. So I'm Jake. I'm at 987 Elm Drive. How soon can someone come over and take a look? Because I'm really concerned.
I understand how stressful this can be, but don't worry, we're here to help. We have openings for a free consultation tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Would either of those times work for you?
Let's do 10 a.m.
Great. I've booked your consultation for tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Will I get an email notification confirmation?
Yes, Jake, you'll definitely get an email.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now. So you see how easy that was? Now, again, I just breezed through this. You can make this even better, but just that alone, people are like, whoa. If you set up automation, it can take the email notification, send them out, and you got them scheduled. Like, how easy is that? It's incredibly simple and it's incredibly straightforward. And it's one of those things that just makes you look so much better than everyone else. So that's it. That's the demo. It's that simple. And the whole point is to show, not tell. I'm trying to make sure you understand this because you'll sell so much more and you'll make way more money. But so many of you guys are just constantly telling, no one cares anymore. We're visual. We have to see things. And the problem is if you want to evolve in this AI age and you want to get rich, you have to evolve with the competition. And part of the thing that I'm seeing so many people do is they're doing the same stuff that worked back in like 2014. It's so outdated. Show, don't tell. And if you follow this script well, I guarantee you'll make money. You just have to follow it the right way. So that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, drop them down below or anything. It's really that simple. You just go in, everything is already, pre-configured. You just make sure that it's dialed in properly. It shouldn't take you any work at all. All the work's been done for you. The snapshot's down below. Like, you literally don't have to do anything other than demo. That's the demo. That's how easy it is. You just have to go in, make sure everything's properly configured. I've done all of the work for you in the snapshot. You get the chat widget, the AI chatbot, the AI voice agent, and the website completely for free, already built for you. Hours worth of time and testing done so you can have them. And then you just test, whether that be in front of a prospect on Loom, in a cold email from Loom, whatever you want, and you just do that and you're good to go. Last but not least, I want to go over pricing, just so you have a basic idea of what to price these at if you're confused at all. So the AI chatbot, I would charge around $297 per month, or an add-on, which means if you're offering them ads and a bunch of other stuff, you can throw it on to sweeten the deal to sell them. But if it's just a standalone chatbot, I would do it for around $297 with upsells in there. Voice AI, I would do upwards of $500 a month, maybe even more depending on the volume. Or again, you could have this as an add-on if it's a bigger package where you're running a lot of ads and doing SEO. But standalone, that's how much I would charge for each of these. And again, use this exact presentation and demo with this, you will do well. You just have to make sure you rehearse the script and you're good to go. So final recap. You just make sure that you have the AI chatbot working properly that's connected to the AI chat widget, the AI voice agent's working right through here. You make sure the phone number's plugged in, the website looks good. Then you follow this exact script from the website, just like I showed you, to then close prospects. And you can do this in person, on Loom, on Zoom, you name it, wherever you want, you can show them, and you will show, not tell, and you will sell way more because you're actually providing value. And again, all of this has been done for you in a snapshot down below. Hours worth of time saved. Thank you so much for watching. I seriously appreciate it. If you have any questions at all, anything, drop it in the comments down below. I will answer as fast as I can. But what I want to do now is I want to just extend this to you because I think you're really going to like it. I talked earlier in the video about, what you get for signing up under High Level with me, my bonuses and whatnot. I'm going to link a video that's going to pop up at the end of the screen that's going to go in depth on the stuff you get and some of the awards I won and the people I've helped, just to show you that this is real. And I recommend you check it out because you're going to get over $10,000 worth of bonuses for free when you sign up with that link. Trust me, if you watch the video, you will see what I'm saying. It is incredible. So make sure you go check out the video. It's going to pop up right at the screen because you're really, really going to like it. So again, thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of the screen.